Well, hello, good morning, good day, good afternoon, good night, whatever suits you. This is vlog number 4. So, remember when I showed you this sleeve at the end of my previous vlog? Turns out that was the easy one. So I have been working on my other sleeve designs and I have been trying to work on my second one, and I have redone it like 3 times. Like right now this is the result because it's failed. It's one of them situations where, you know, you haven't got it right but you haven't got it wrong. It's just one minor thing, and I think I've finally figured out why it's not working. It's basically to do with the angle of the lines, and I just need to get that right in order for me to get the kind of weaving shape that I'm trying to create with the fabric. So let's try again. Literally like a crossword puzzle. Like you have to figure out how to connect things in order to make it work. You don't always get it right. I suppose that's part of the whole purpose of what we're trying to experiment and see what works. I just know that when it works, it's going to look really nice. So I really want to get this right. So yeah. So I initially filmed myself making this, but it turns out that it didn't quite go onto camera, so I'm just showing you the end result. I finally got what I want, and when I do it on fabric, you'll see how sick it will look. Well, that's what I'm hoping anyways. Like, I pray this all works out, because I've had this vision in my mind for so long and I really want it to come to play, and that's when I know that all of this redoing and redoing is going to be worth it. Like, I think this is another reason why I wanted to document this journey, because being a fashion designer ain't just about fashion shows and nice clothes, and there's a lot that goes into it, and there's a lot of stress that you go through. And especially because as a designer, you never really know if your ideas are going to work out. You never really know if they're going to even look good. Sometimes you have this great vision in your mind, and then when you create it, it just looks like nothing. And I've had those times, and it's not nice. So yeah, I want it to work. I really want this collection to be amazing. So I've decided to insert myself because I realized productivity was going down. And trying to do my work and film at the same time, it just wasn't working, in the sense that, you know, I actually need to get some work done. Before we move forwards, I just want to quickly say, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. And on top of that, please add my socials. I'll put them all in the description below. I made it very simple for you. All you have to do is click those links and voila. I just want to say a quick thank you to people that have done this already. I know my following is still very small, but I'm still humble in what I have. And I really appreciate those that make a point of watching my videos and also sending me those messages, because it really helps, because this is all very new to me. Filming myself on a regular basis and being very open is very new to me, because I come from the generation where you kept your shit to yourself, and if you tried to speak, your mum would just knock you up sideways and say, don't tell people your business. That was my world. So still getting used to this. So thank you for those kind messages. And let's continue. So yeah, I'm a Star Trek girl. I was never really into Star Wars. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm a Trekkie. All I'm doing is basically using my pattern, my paper pattern as a template. If I'm looking over here, I'm looking at the laptop because I'm watching it. I'm using my paper pattern as a template, and then I literally have to transfer everything that is on that paper onto the fabric, because all of those are key. Like, you cannot miss a piece of detailing, you can't miss a notch, you can't miss a line, because that is what is going to set you up with a really clean finish. I can't stress, like, getting these markings on that fabric is imperative, I'm telling you.
The next day later.
So all these markings here, the lines, they set me up later on when I'm about to do my pleating, which you'll see next. And it just makes it a lot easier in getting them really straight and, how do you explain it? Connecting the lines all correctly and having a really nice finish. If you sew, you know how important it is to have an iron with some serious steam. The heat. Just listen, just listen. People always wonder how I can sew with nails. I have always sewn with nails from when I started sewing in college. To be fair, I think I really started to wear nails all the time from uni, but it's just literally how I've sewn, to the point when sewing without these nails is so difficult for me, because I've got used to how I pick up things. So when I don't have them, I feel like I can't move. Like, if you saw the beginning video, you saw that one of my nails was broken, right? I had to get that nail back on real quick. So I finally finished these sleeves. And these are the finishing sleeves. Please comment below if you like either sleeve 1, 2 or 3 the best. Comment below. I am all down for feedback. You guys are part of the process. So the one that I get more likes on is the sleeve that I'm going to be using for my collection. So get involved. On a serious note though, this was not quick for me. Like, it was not, in this video it makes it look like it's bish bash bosh. It was not bish bash bosh. I repeated patterns at least 3-4 times just by making silly mistakes, because I haven't done these techniques in so many years. I got used to working with manufacturers. Hard to be creative if you're not making your own clothes, for me. And then on top of that, like, I'll make mistakes and I don't realize until I start sewing. This one here, I did it twice. It was bare headache. So do you know what? After this project, I deserve at least a small celebration. Like, for real, for real. Let's get it. I can't wait till these collections really come out. And right now, I am so tired. And I'm just over this part. Like, I'm fully over it. Like, it's getting me emotional. So yeah, I'm done. I'm done. So what do I have to do next?